Hello everyone, I'd like to thank Anand Pharmacy College for organizing the COVID hackathon. My team ID is E013. My team name is the Vayopotras. The theme is Innovative Business Hack. The title is Shop Really Without Fear of COVID-19. The team members are Raj Agrawal from 2nd SEM, Aditya Bhatt from 8th SEM, and Chunuwala from 2nd SEM. So we are all very well know how COVID-19 spreads. You can say that get it from this visual by touching and coming in contact with the contaminated things. How can post lockdown the contamination ratio would be increased. So our innovative approach can be applied digitally as well as non-digitally. So we are determined and we have started an initiative to develop an application which can be used in the phone as well as in PC. The Android user as well as iPhone users can use this app. The superstores as well as provisional stores would be linked with this application. So our problem is our hack is based on minimizing the spreading of COVID-19 as well as increasing the competition through which the customer gets benefited and the profit margin of the shopkeepers doesn't decrease. How to implement our innovative approach, that is digitally, the superstore will generate the QR code and numerical code linked by our app, and the superstore unique ID would be assigned to each and every store as well as the customer. When the customer enters the premises of the superstore, he would be asked to enter the unique ID through which the server in the warehouse of the superstore will be notified, and the order ID would be generated. As soon as he starts shopping, the innovation starts here. Only one sample would be displayed of each and every product of the superstore, not few more pieces like in the conventional system. Only one pieces. So this would bypass the use of trolleys and baskets as well as touching the products. He would scan the QR code and add to cart. As soon as he finishes shopping, the number of items that his purchase would be displayed in the warehouse, and which would be packed by the employees in the sanitized condition and would be delivered on the counter, where he would be asked for the payment, that may be cash payment or various digital payment system like UPI, Paytm, Google Pay. The product purchase will be transferred to cash counter by even conveyor belts. In future, our vision is to develop the artificial intelligence or robots that can be connected with the application. This would decrease in the operating cost of the superstores. How the cost would be decreased? Less floor space for operating a superstore would be used. That would decrease the capital investment, and less air handling units as well as less electricity consumption would be decreased. So the maintenance cost will also be decreased. So that would can increase the profit margin of the superstores. How to purchase non-digitally with this platform? The numerical code, as we have also displayed the numerical code. The non-digital customers preferring the conventional shopping system would be provided with a piece of paper and use and throw pen, which would only cost about 60 paisa. He would be asked to write the numeric code which of the desired product which he wants to purchase. As soon as he finishes purchasing, the list of the numeric codes would be submitted to the counter, which would be further proceeded to the warehouse where his order would be packed and submitted to him. So at local provision stores, how will it work? Yes, this is the game changer thing. The local provision stores cover 93% of the market of India, Indian essentials and groceries. So the 93% or the provision stores would be linked this through this app, would be provided same as unique ID, with the same unique ID code and a QR code generating application, which would be phone based. So they can generate the QR code of the most essential things, like most required things like sugar, that can be Colgate, that can be toothpaste, that can be Pepsodent, that can be Lux soap, that can be Dettol hand wash, that can be Ashirwad Atta, etc. And they can circulate the QR code or publish the QR code on the digital platform like social media, or Hike, that can be Hike, that is made in India, that can be WhatsApp, email, etc. Or they can advertise in the newspaper flaps, posters, and so by this the customer would be, how the customer would be benefited. The customer on placing on just scanning the QR code would be provided with two options, that may be self pickup as well as home delivery. Home delivery would not be provided by the Vayaputras. The home delivery would be provided itself by the shopkeepers. So if so, like Zomato provides home delivery, but they charge is two-way. They charge from the customer as well as they charge some amount from the shopkeeper as well. So we would not charge from anyone, and the home delivery would be completed within the committed time of 48 hours from the shopkeepers who provides the home delivery option in the specific area under special terms and conditions. So this would increase the competition, as well as by this the customer would be getting the products at the best rate, best prices. So uniqueness of the project, this would be first project as a gateway that can be used at superstores and shopkeepers. आज तक ऐसी कोई भी ऐप डेवलप नहीं हुई है, आप ध्यान रखिएगा. As the large market holders of kirana stores will be brought to the competition, that will be favorable for customers to get the essentials at the best price. Competition बढ़ेगा इसलिए प्राइस कम होगा. द सुपर स्टोर विल हैव द टू इन्वेस्ट लेस. हाँ, उससे कम जगह में स्टोर वो कर सकता है, क्योंकि गोडाउन में वो सब भरेगा. गोडाउन में वो उसे सोफिस्टिकेटेड वे में रखना है, वो कार्टून्स में प्रोडक्ट्स रहने देगा, इसलिए उसको एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी कम रहेगा, उसको फर्नीचर कम यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, एज वेल एज एयर हैंडलिंग यूनिट. सबसे ज़्यादा लाइट बिल उसका ही आता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल हम लोग जो बोलते हैं उसे. फिर इसलिए उसका मेंटेनेंस और इन्वेस्टमेंट दोनों कम होगा, तो उसका प्रॉफिट मार्जिन भी बढ़ेगा. और फ्यूचर में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हो सकता है ना उसमें, जैसे कि वो अपन QR कोड से स्कैन करेंगे, उससे हम लोग ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप करेंगे फ्यूचर में ऑन टाइम. अभी हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है कि डायरेक्ट रोबोट में ही उसका डेटा जाएगा और हम उसे डिस्प्ले नहीं करना पड़ेगा, रोबोट ही वो चीज़ लाकर उसे देगा. जस्टिफिकेशन एंड नॉवेल्टी, टाइम सेविंग सबसे पहले, और टाइम सेविंग, एनर्जी सेविंग. हाँ, अगर मुझे तेल का डिब्बा चाहिए 15 किलो का, तो मैं उठा के उसको घूमता हूँ, वो नहीं करूँगा ना, मेरा एनर्जी बचा. ये एनर्जी की बात कर रहा हूँ. प्रिवेंशन ऑफ सुपर स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ कोविड-19 बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. परचेजिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. हाँ, मैं नज़दीकी स्टोर का मेरे पास QR कोड पड़ा है, तो मैं उसे स्कैन करके ही करूँगा. वो कभी भी मुझे होम डिलीवरी कर सकते हैं. मैं जब भी बाहर जाऊँगा तब मैं पिकअप कर सकता हूँ उस चीज़ को. उसके लिए मुझे स्पेशल जाना नहीं पड़ेगा. टाइम सेविंग है बहुत बड़ी. If we will adapt it, this would give an Indian exposure at world level. The profit of small shopkeepers will not be reduced. I repeat, the profit of small shopkeepers will not be reduced, as no charge will be imposed on home deliveries. The home delivery time gap will be reduced. Like Amazon requires 3 to 5 days for serving. Vast area will be covered. Towns, that may be covered from towns as well as cities. We conducted the survey about how much percent of people are interested. 57% of female agreed the technology is a great, which we are developing is great for use, while 42% of male are ready to use that, while only 4.5% of people would go for conventional technology by increase the risk of touching, while 95.5% liked our innovation. We would like to thank specially to Anand Pharmacy College, Sri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal, Mr. Milap Purohit, who is an alumni of Anand Pharmacy College, as well as Ms. Mittal Patel, who is Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, APC. Thank you. Make in India. Please support Digital India, as well as please support Atmanirbhar India. Thank you. Jai Hind.